Hi guys, this is Ahmed from Global Project Control YouTube channel. I want to announce my first free webinar. It's take 3 days. What is the content and date? This webinar has 3 sections and each section take 2 hours. Totally, it's take about 6 hours. Each lesson has an individual electronic backup file. I will send it to you before each lesson. This webinar covers all P6 fundamental information. But what is the fundamental information? We will discuss about it. My anticipated start date is 6th of November 2020 and up to 8th of November. But what is the lesson content? At the first lesson, we will talk about general definition of planning and project control, and after that, we go through file, edit, and view menus. In the lesson 2, we continue our subject about project enterprise tools, group and sort, filter, and Gant chart and bar. I will describe subcategories of each menus during the webinar, so you cannot find any popular information like activity sheet and resource sheet at my titles. But this webinar included this subject. What happened at lesson 3? We will continue our goal and go through admin menu, admin preferences, and admin categories. And finally, we show you how to manually update your activities. After this webinar, you learn about all P6 menus and your knowledge is about fundamental P6 users. I means the beginner users. You can creating your plan, assign your resource, and update your activities manually. But what is our plan after this webinar? I prepared you 4 workshops include this lesson content in order to practice more. On each workshop, we focus on software usage. And I prepare you some example file from real work condition. We will solve it together during each workshop. Also, I would like to inform you, my first workshop is for free too. Thank you for your time and hope to see you soon at my webinar. Please support me by your subscription at my Global Project Control YouTube channel. The group channel link provide you at the below of post.